They came in this really nice foam packaging. But let's take that off first. Alright, this is an unboxing video for the Sennheiser HD598 SR headphones. Alright, let's get to it. So as you saw before, they came packed in a nice little thing. So look at this. A little bit of tape on one side. Look at that. Tells you all the different things in Italiano. I don't speak Italiano, but I do speak English. Alright, cool. Nice box, looks good. Ooh, look at this, it's official. It's got a hologram on it. Can't be fake now. Cool, let's open these up. We got this. Flip it over. All right, let's open this up. It's a really nice quality box. It has a nice sort of feel to it and everything. Cause I'm a dum-dum. All right, let's get that out of the way. All right, here we go. Check it out. Got nice headphones. Those look nice. Nice and smooth. How do they smell? They smell vaguely kind of electronic. I don't know, kind of like almost a new car smell. Yeah, kind of like a new car smell. Kind of foamy. I kind of like it. They smell good. All right, let's see what we got in here. One, we've got the headphones themselves. Ooh, so we got this. These come out. We've got the headphones themselves, which look very nice. They're wrapped up in some plastic. And what else do we have? We've got a tasty treat, which is not actually a tasty treat, it's silica gel. And then we've got a converter. That is a big boy. Look at that thing. Check that out. That is a stout converter from 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch. All right. Well, that's it. That's all that's in the box. Cool. Headphones, an adapter. Okay, so we got the headphones. And let's take them out of plastic. There. All right, so we got that. So we got this main cable and cord, which is great. That's 1/4 inch. And it's got some Velcro on it. And we got this other package. Ooh, let's look at this one. See if we can get this without cutting the cable. No promises though. All right, open it up. And there we go. We've got another cable right here. And this one has, where is it? There. It's got the 1/8 inch adapter on it. So it's 1/8 inch and 1/8 inch. So this is probably what you use for normal people with normal headphones, jacks. And this one is what you use for everyone that's got much bigger 1/4 inch audio stuff, which is pretty cool. But there we go. So I'm going to assume that we can take this out. There we go. And then we can put in the other jack. I will point out though, check this out. So you see these two. This one's got kind of like a thingy here. That's what locks it in place. It doesn't pull out, which is pretty neat. All right, and then down a little bit, it's got this. So it's got a microphone and a volume up, volume down thing. So there you go. Let's go through and install this. Oh, that didn't do it. All the way and then turn. Okay, that's locked in place. Very cool. So I've got the smaller, easier to manage headphones on there. All right, and then these guys, how do these work? You just pull on it. So you pull them out all the way. You can get a pretty big head on there. It's kind of springy though when you do that. and it's a little softer like this. So I suspect people with small heads or without giant froze will have much easier time with softer clamping headphones. And then if you have a really big head, I have a really big head, that's gonna have a lot more clamping force on your head. So that might account for why some people say these are comfortable and some people say they have high clamping force. Let's hope that works out for me. Okay, here's the adapter, here's the big boy. There you go. So if you want to plug this into like a phone or something, it's kind of chunky. So if I got my, oh wait, I can't plug this into my phone because it's an Apple device. Hold on a minute. All right, well, we'll try putting this into this phone. You just pretend that it's plugged into this phone. So that's what you'd be dealing with if you wanted to use the stock cable that comes with it to plug in your phone. That's a bit unwieldy. Whereas if you use the other one, like this one, you plug that in, that's a lot easier to use, more like a normal one. So I foresee myself using this cable all the time instead of this cable. Oh, it is chunky and well made. So to summarize what we got in the box, we got the headphones themselves, the much more useful smaller cable if you use 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch stuff. This cable, you got a packet of silica, you've got a really chunky 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch adapter, which is nicely made, and then you got the stock cable that came with it already attached to the headphones, which is a very nice cable and has the lock on one side, and it's got the 1/4 inch adapter. So there you have it. That is the Sennheiser HD598 SR unboxing. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you later.